Well, we're back from our Atlanta shopping trip, and as promised, I'm here to do a true unboxing of all my birthday goodies, as promised. And this is a true unboxing. I have been a good girl and held back. I haven't opened up anything, so I wanted to do a true unboxing for you guys. Before we get to the good stuff, as always, I do need you guys to subscribe, click the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Now, let's unbox these goodies. Okay, the question is, what do we open first? Of course, I'm going to leave you guys in suspense. I'm going to leave the biggest and best for last. Let's start out with this item. And I have been looking for something like this. I found this, it happened to be on sale, 40% off, so that's what sold me. So let's see what's in here. And I do love Coach. I don't love the monogram, but I do love their leathers. I still do have several Coach bags in my collection. So what this is a Coach makeup bag, and I love the fact that it's black. It doesn't show stains on the inside, and Coach, they package their things very nicely. But I did find this for 40% off. I love the way they packaged it. It's nice and roomy. I thought about buying a small makeup bag from Louis Vuitton, but I just didn't really want to spend the extra money. I'm not really a huge small leather goods person when it comes to luxury items. I rather spend my money on things like shoes and handbags, but this is an excellent little makeup bag. I'll do a review on it later. It's got a really smooth zipper. It's a really good size. The next item is this Tory Burch. I fell in love with this when I seen it in the store. I actually saw them on the website, but they're really much prettier in person. So let's see what's in this little bag. Comes in a dust bag. And I love pouches like this for traveling to put jewelry in. It is a bracelet. It's an enamel Tory Burch logo bracelet. I'm not sure what the actual name of this is, but I will link it down below. But I thought this was so cute for spring and summer. It kind of reminds me of the, let me turn it this way. It reminds me a bit of the Hermes enamel bracelet without the price tag, but the same look. So I'm really happy with this little bracelet. While we are on Tory Burch, we might as well go for this big bag. It's probably not too difficult to guess what's in here. I am obsessed with Tory Burch. I have been looking for something like this to carry on my trip when we go to Greece. It comes in this Tory Burch dust bag with the drawstring. I love the drawstring dust bags. I love this. And see, you can see it's a true unboxing. It still has all the plastic and everything in place. This might take a while. Need some scissors. I love this color. This is a gorgeous bag. I think I'm going to turn the camera off, take off some of the plastic so you guys can see it better. So 30 minutes later, we're back. They literally put so much plastic on these bags. You can see the beauty of it. It is a gorgeous, I would say a pinky taupe, kind of like the Gucci. They call it pink, but it's not really pink. This is a gorgeous bag. It's perfect for traveling. I had considered buying another Neverfull MM, but I think I'm just gonna hold off on that and carry this Tory Burch bag. It's about the same size. It's lightweight. So I think this is probably the bag that I will take to Greece with me. I think it's perfect. I love the little tassel detail. The only thing that I find a little bit strange is this part right here where it clasps together, it kind of sticks up. It'll probably relax in time. It's much more affordable than the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. It's about the same size, I would say. Oh, and it has a gorgeous navy blue lining. It's just a big open hole, just like the Neverfull, with a big pocket. Super lightweight. I think we're gonna do the Louis Vuitton next. I am in love with this purchase. This is something that I've been looking for. Actually, probably for about a year, I've been looking for the perfect pair. And I know I'm kind of giving you guys a hint. So I'll just go ahead and tell you, they are sunglasses. When I tried these on, I was just in love. So here's the certificate. Oh, I love this box they come in. I have several boxes like this and I love to use them and keep jewelry in them. This magnetic closure. When I tried them on, I knew they were the ones. I tried on several pair last year when I was in California. I just love these. Aren't they pretty? And I love the fact that they're substantial. They're thick on the side. It's got the V, I guess the V logo. I think they're perfect. So I'm really, really happy with this purchase. I am so excited to open the final bag. I guess it's not too difficult to figure out what it is, but I am super excited over this bag because it's my very first SYL bag. I'm really trying to get away from so much Louis Vuitton. I have collected Louis Vuitton now and I still love it, but I've collected it for probably 11 years. I want to move on to other fashion houses. Wait till you see what I got. So I got it at the Saks Fifth. Oh my gosh, you guys. Here we go. Ta-da! Is this not the most gorgeous bag? The Saint Laurent LouLou bag. And I will link it down below. It came also in a beautiful cream color. I was torn as to which one to choose, but the black won out. I love the hardware on this bag. I'm gonna turn the camera off, take some of this off so I can show you guys the bag better. So I finally got all of the plastic off these gorgeous chain straps. Let me show you close up. How gorgeous is this bag? I love the hardware. I love the fact that this bag can be worn multiple ways with the double chain. I'm only 5'3". This is good for me. But I can also wear it like this. And I probably will wear it like this quite a bit. I could actually do this bag crossbody because I am shorter. I've seen this bag on YouTube and on Instagram quite a bit, but I haven't seen too many reviews on it, so I'll definitely do that for you guys. And I'm so excited that I have decided to branch out to different fashion houses. This one is gorgeous, and I would say this is the perfect medium size everyday bag. So I'm so excited to have this in my collection. There you have it, guys. This is my birthday haul. I enjoyed showing you my haul and taking you along to Atlanta on my birthday weekend. If you enjoy videos like this and if you enjoy vlogging and shopping and adventures, travel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.